Living with the after effects of trauma is exhausting. It can feel like your past is stuck on a loop and your body is constantly on high alert. No matter how many times you tell yourself you're safe, your nervous system just isn't buying it. But what if you could take back control by literally rewiring parts of your brain that are keeping you stuck? Thanks to the incredible science of neuroplasticity, you absolutely can. We're going to explore some powerful and simple techniques to help you find some peace. So first of all, what's actually going on in there? When you go through something traumatic, your brain does exactly what it's designed to do. It adapts to keep you alive. So your amygdala, which you can think of as your brain's smoke alarm, goes into overdrive. Its job is to scream danger and hit that fight, flight or freeze button. And this is to keep you safe. After trauma, that alarm can get stuck on the on position and it treats even minor stresses like life or death emergencies. This keeps the more rational thinking part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, from having much say. That's the part that you need for clear thinking and calming yourself down. To make matters worse, trauma can mess with your brain's memory filing system. This is called the hippocampus, leaving memories feeling fragmented and raw instead of being neatly stored away as in the past. And the result of this, you feel really stuck. Your brain's processing system is effectively jammed and the emotional wound can't heal properly. But here's the really hopeful part. This is not permanent. Your brain adapted to survive trauma and it can adapt again to heal. This is where neuroplasticity comes in, and it's a game changer. Neuroplasticity is simply the brain's amazing ability to reorganize itself by creating new neural connections. Think of your brain's pathways like trails in a forest. The more that trail is used, the wider and easier it is to follow. Trauma curves some deep, well-worn trails of fear and hyper-vigilance. And neuroplasticity is the process of intentionally blazing new trails. By using specific practices, you can build fresh, healthy neural pathways for calm, safety, and control. You're actively teaching your brain that it doesn't have to keep taking that old, painful path. You can rebuild a new one. And let's talk about how. I'm going to share some evidence-backed techniques that you can use to put neuroplasticity to work and take back the driver's seat. CBT. So CBT is a fantastic tool for changing negative thought patterns that keep you trapped. Trauma can drill in unhelpful beliefs like I'm not safe or something is really wrong with me. CBT gives you the tools to identify those thoughts, challenge them, and reframe them into something more empowering. By doing this, you weaken the neural pathways of fear and strengthen the new ones. Studies show that CBT can help calm down that hyperactive amygdala and boost the prefrontal cortex's ability to regulate your emotions. Trauma doesn't just live in your thoughts, it actually gets stored in your body. And somatic practices are designed to help you release that tension. Things like mindful breathing, body scans, or gentle yoga can help you safely reconnect with your body. A simple one to try is called VU breathing. I love it. So we're going to inhale slowly. And as you exhale, I want you to try and make a low vibrating VU sound, kind of like a foghorn from deep in your belly. So inhale. Just like that. And this vibration stimulates the vagus nerve, which is a key player in telling your nervous system that it's safe to switch out of fight or flight mode. And finally, the power of connection and movement. Never underestimate the healing power of safe relationships and physical movement. Supportive social connections can actually stimulate neuroplasticity, which is why things like group therapy or just spending time with loved ones can feel so healing. At the same time, regular movement is proven to encourage the growth of new neural connections. So something as simple as a walk or a yoga class or even some somatic movements can really help boost endorphins and help regulate your nervous system. And this makes it easier for your brain to build those new neural pathways to healing. Remember, healing from trauma isn't about erasing what's happened. It's about taking the power back from the past so it no longer controls your present future. Your brain's rewired itself to help keep you safe. And the beautiful thing here is you have the tools to rewire it for peace, safety, and control. These aren't overnight fixes, but with consistency and repetition, you're actively becoming a partner in your own healing. You are not broken, and you have the capability to rebuild. If this resonated with you, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our community. We're all about sharing tools and support to help you reclaim your life. Remember, healing isn't just possible, it's your path forward.